So police are here to make sure to get this guy out of the container. PSU, thank you ever so much to all those who place in calls to the police and loving Liberian who wants to see the peace of Liberia and not violence. So the police are here to make sure to have the guy out of the container. So the owner of the container said they should check the guy to see whether he took money because he had money in the container. Okay. They say you need to charge him. You are in a container, you need to charge him. So they want to charge him because the owner of the container is still in the station now. So they are throwing soon. So the police is throwing tear gas. It's not easy, it's so chaotic here. So that's it. Thank you ever so much for watching. Nathaniel's here reporting for Hot FM, and I'm right here at the Nima United community, a distance from the Mount Barclay